This is the Surf Soho from Peplink. It's a really popular device, not least because of Michael's blog, routersecurity.org. Well worth a visit, where he talks about how we can secure home networks in particular. Let's see what's in the box. We have got, let me get the cardboard and plastic out of the way. We've got the router itself, and we've got 3 Wi-Fi antennas for the 3 antenna connections at the back, of course. And then we've got a 12 volt power brick with, because I'm in the UK, a UK adapter. We've got an Ethernet cable, a bit of Peplink cable management Velcro, and a quick start guide. So let's have a look at the Surf Soho itself. It's a very simple looking device. It's plastic. We've got on the front status and Wi-Fi, and then on the back we've got the antenna connections, 10 to 24 volt DC range input. We've got a USB WAN connection. You can use Ethernet to USB to Ethernet here, or USB 4G dongles. We've got a reset button, and we've got the 4 LAN ports and a single wired WAN. Very simple looking device, wall mountable. Surf Soho.